Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. So we're looking at Home Depot's special buy of the day. We got some Milwaukee tools, some DeWalt tools, some Ryobi tools. These are going to be some special buys for today, and then also they trickle in some of the Labor Day sales also. So we're going to go ahead and run through these real quick so you guys know what the top deals at Home Depot are today. So first up, we got a 3-tool combo kit for $229. So this is the M18. You're going to get the 2-tool combo kit, which is the drill and impact driver, but they're also throwing in the M18 fuel quarter hex impact driver. So this is $229, and then there's also buy one get one 5% off that goes along with this. So not a bad deal there. You're going to get 2 of the 2 amp hour batteries, your charger, and your bag. $229, not a bad pickup there. Now, next up, we got a Labor Day savings deal, $249. This is going to be the grease gun kit, M18. This is going to come with their 2 amp hour battery. And then next to that, we got the DeWalt 6-tool cordless combo kit. And this looks like it's going to come with the rolling tough system case. If I remember correctly, in the past, this was usually around $4.99. You guys correct me if I'm wrong in the comment section below. So $529, you're getting 6 tools, couple batteries, and the rolling tough system case. Next to that, we got the M18 metal shears with the 1/4 inch impact for $299. And this is also buy one get one 5% off for the Labor Day savings. This one's coming in at $300. Next up is the M18 fuel 10-inch dual bevel sliding compound miter saw kit and the miter saw stand. Another 5% off, buy one, get one. This one's $700. And then we got some Milwaukee fuel ratchets here. So $229 for the 3/8 inch. Another 5% off deal. And this is also part of the Labor Day savings. Next up for $339, we got the M12 half-inch ratchet, M12 3/8 ratchet, 2 of the 2 amp hour batteries, charger, and then the contractor's bag. This is going to be a special buy for $339. And then another Labor Day savings for $229 is going to be the half-inch ratchet kit. And this also applies the 5% off BOGO deal. All right, next up, we got the M12 4-in-1 installation tool, $179 for this one. Another buy one, get one 5% off deal for the Labor Day savings. And then for $300, we got the M12 Fuel 3/8 inch stubby impact wrench kit, along with the M12 3/8 inch ratchet. And this one's also part of the Labor Day savings. Another Labor Day savings deal for $169 is the M12 subcompact drill impact driver combo kit. And then they're throwing in the 15-piece bit set. So not a bad pickup for $169. And then for M18, we got the fuel half-inch mid-torque impact wrench. This is going to come with 2 5 amp hour batteries in the hard case for $329. Next up, we got the M12 3/8 inch cordless ratchet kit, 2 2 amp hour batteries. And then they're also throwing in the soldering iron with this one for $300. And then they got the M18 Fuel Surge 1/4 inch hex impact driver. This is going to be the kit, so it comes with a 5 amp hour battery. Another buy one, get one 5% off deal for this. Not a bad pickup there for $179. Here's the M12 Fuel 3/8 inch ratchet. This is going to come with the 4 amp hour starter kit for $219. And then we got the M18 Fuel drywall screw gun with the 5 amp hour starter kit for $180. Here's the M12 4-tool combo kit. So with this one, you're going to get the M12 Fuel 1/4 inch screwdriver. You get the M12 1/4 inch right angle die grinder, the high-speed ratchet in 3/8, and then also the Rover floodlight. $400 for this one. And this is also going to include 2 2 amp hour batteries, the charger, and the bag. Also part of the buy one, get one 5% off deal. And then for M18, we got the Fuel hammer drill and impact driver combo kit. This is going to come with 3 batteries. So you're going to get the 6 amp hour high output battery and 2 of the 5 amp hour batteries for $400. And then for $419, we got a 4-tool combo kit. This is going to come with 2 batteries. You get the 4 amp hour and the 2 amp hour battery. And this is also part of the buy one, get one 5% off deal. Another M18 fuel deal. This one's going to come with the 4.5 inch angle grinder. And then also the 1/4 inch impact driver, $240 for this one. Next up, we got the M18 rotary cutout tool for $129. And then we got the M12 Fuel half-inch hammer drill. And this is going to come with 2 of the 3 amp hour batteries, $140 for that one. I also got the M18 Fuel 5-inch flathead angle grinder with the 8 amp hour Forge battery kit, $280 for this one. And then we got some DeWalt tools. So this is the 10 tool combo kit. Gonna come with 2 amp hour batteries, charger, and 2 bags. Now with this kit, looks like you get a light and then the Bluetooth speaker. You also get the blower. This one's coming in at $650. And then we also got the DeWalt Atomic 2-tool combo kit. And then this one's going to throw in a free tool. So with this setup, you're going to get the multi-tool, $300 for this. And then they also have the same deal. This one's going to have the sander for $300. Or you can pick up this same kit with the recip saw. That one's going to come in at $388. And next up, we got the HP 3/8-inch Ratchet kit. This is going to come with 3 batteries. Fortunately, it says out of stock for this one. This one was $160. We got the M18 5-inch Orbit sander with 2 of the 5 amp hour batteries for $259. We also got the DeWalt thickness planer. You get some extras with this for $700. Here's the DeWalt XR 18-gauge brad nailer with battery for $329. We got some gear wrench screwdriver sets, $32 for that. And then we jump into some more Milwaukee tools. So here's the M18 multi-tool with 2 5 amp hour batteries for $249. Another Labor Day savings deal. So here's the M18 Fuel 1/4-inch hex impact driver with the hacksaw for $179. Another buy one get one 5% off deal. We got the M12 Fuel 1/4-inch Ratchet with 2 3 amp hour batteries for $169. And then all the way to the right here, we got the M18 Fuel 6.5-inch track saw for $449. Here's the M18 multi-tool with the 2 amp hour battery for only $119. We got the angle grinder and the 1/4-inch impact fuel tools for $239. And then over here they also got the Fuel mid-torque 3/8-inch impact wrench along with the 3/8-inch ratchet for $359. And then all the way to the right here, we got the M12 Fuel 3/8-inch and 1/2-inch ratchet. This is going to come with 2 of the 3 amp hour batteries for $379. Here's the M18 Fuel 1-inch impact wrench kit for $629. Got some Ryobi stuff here. Got the router, tool only, with some bits for $118.97. And then all the way to the right, we got the Ryobi 1 Plus. So we got the jigsaw and the 18-gauge brad nailer for $178. For $99, we got the Ryobi tire inflator. I also got the DeWalt 2.5-gallon 140 PSI portable air compressor. This can be flex volt. So this is going to come with 1 of the flex volt 6 amp hour batteries for $279. Here's the DeWalt 16-gauge angled finish nailer, 3 amp hour battery and charger for $400. We got the Ryobi HP 30-degree framing nailer kit for $109. Some more Milwaukee deals here. And then all the way to the right here, we got the DeWalt 8.25-inch table saw with the stand for $329. All right, next up, we got the Milwaukee M18 175-watt compact inverter. And this is coming with 2 5 amp hour batteries for $219. Got some Ryobi screwdrivers for $15. We got the rigid max output kit, 2 4 amp hour batteries for $139. You got a wrench set over here by Milwaukee. This is the ratcheting flex head for $489. Here's the Milwaukee 27-piece 1/2-inch drive impact set. This is the pack out for $100. Here's another Milwaukee wrench set for $218. All right, guys, so that's a quick run through of Home Depot's special buys of the day. Just want to get this video out to you guys real quick so you guys can see the top deals at Home Depot. If you guys are interested in all the Labor Day sales at Home Depot or Lowe's, I'll go ahead and post those videos at the end of this video. If you guys found some value, make sure you smash that like button. If you guys like what I'm doing on my channel, make sure you subscribe, hit that notification bell. Until the next one, guys, I will talk to you later.